Well, that is my job. I don't depend on handouts. This top secret report, let me explain to you first before I get your reactions. It's sent by a top Maharashtra police officer to the state government. And according to this report, and I read, as per the information given on telephone, the Joint Commissioner of Crime had strongly opposed the posting of Sachin Waze. The Joint Commissioner of Crime is a senior officer by the name of Mr. Milind Bharambe. According to the report, he had strongly opposed for the posting of Sachin Waze. But at the insistence of the then Commissioner of Police, obviously, the then Joint Commissioner unwillingly issued the office order for the posting of Sachin Waze at the CIU. What this means is, Parambir was so desperate to get Sachin Waze as Assistant Police Inspector that he literally ran over such a senior officer as the Joint Commissioner of Crime. How mysterious is that, Sujata?
So if the reports are to be believed, this is a classic case of a dark Bollywood potboiler. One can even say that Parambir perhaps running a parallel government where he was choosing his teammates, where in this case Sachin Waze, who was reinstated into the service and was made a part of the crime branch, and then also made sure that he was directly reporting to him and nobody in between. He was also handling all the high profile cases, including the TRP case, including the Dilip Chhabria case, including the Andila case, and many more. Who knows that whatever we know about these cases are probably lying under the carpet. So I still believe that it is Parambir who is lying at the center and the core of it. If you look at the Pradeep Sharma case also, he also shares the same background as Sachin Waze. Not only the same background, but what happened after he left his service and joined the same political party also. So it still shows that Parambir is definitely at the core of this entire, let's say, conspiracy or extortion and whatever you may want to call it. But one other thing is very important, Arnab, that probably we need to understand.
Now look at another fact here.
Yeah.
Look at another fact here. Look at another fact here. The report says, and Pankaj, who's been a senior journalist before being a media advisor to the former Congress Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Kamal Nath, you'll understand this as a journalist, Pankaj. The report says no officer of the crime branch gave any review, opinion / direction in the investigations handled by Sachin Waze because he directly reported about the same to the then Commissioner of Police. And it goes on to say that two specific cases, the TRP case and the Mukesh Ambani case. The TRP case and the Mukesh Ambani case were handled directly by Sachin Waze, and the entire Mumbai police was told to handle the TRP case, which means everybody was only busy trying to fix Republic. Anyway, let's bring this part out. Who are the other people who were part of the review committee? All the information is beginning to come out right now. Pankaj, tell me, today the NIA and the CBI are casting a wider net. Can you separate the three individuals? Parambir, Pradeep and Waze.
Not at all. They're part of the same triangle.
See, Mr. Goswami,
you cannot separate them, Arnab.
Let me tell you one thing very frankly.
They're all interconnected.
That Sachin Waze or Parambir Singh or even Anil Deshmukh, they deserve no sympathy. They cannot be given benefit of doubt. So all three should be dealt with same yardstick. No matter, the credentials of Parambir Singh are highly doubtful. Credentials of Sachin Waze are also highly doubtful. But whatever they are saying or whatever they have said should be taken seriously, though it cannot be taken at the face value. But the whole matter needs to be investigated in depth. So let there be NIA probe, let there be CBI probe, let there be High Court probe, let there be all probes. I am really happy that Narendra Bhai Modi and Amit Bhai Shah not allowing anyone to downplay the gravity of this episode, because the whole episode has raised serious concerns over the functioning of the political arm of Maharashtra government and the administrative arm of the state machinery. But At the same time, I sincerely hope that my Prime Minister and the Home Minister will show similar determination and devotion in handling all such hideous matters in future that crop up anywhere in our country, and also relook into the cases of bloodthirstiness
Is the
shown
Prime
by
Minister and the
section
Home
of
Minister
uniformed
investigating
officers and khadi-clad politicians
Is the Prime
to work
Minister
out
and the
their
Home Minister
profane schemes
investigating the
in the
case?
past in
The
different
Chief
parts
Minister
of
of
our
Maharashtra
nation.
has not even opened his mouth. The Chief
Who?
Minister of Maharashtra has not even opened his mouth on the allegations. And you have
See,
jumped to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister.
I can't.
Sujata's also
I
getting
can't
a
speak.
response from
I
the
cannot
Chief
speak
Minister
on
of
behalf of the
Maharashtra.
Chief
This
Minister
has
of
happened under
Maharashtra.
his nose.
My opinion,
This
I have
cannot
told
be
you
allowed.
that
This happened
as
under his
Mr.
nose.
Goswami has
Why is
already
Uddhav
said
Thackeray quiet?
that this matter
Why
has
is Uddhav
really
Thackeray quiet?
become
One minute,
very
sir.
This
scandalous.
happened under his
This
nose.
matter has
Anil
become very
Deshmukh was the
scandalous.
Home Minister.
Will you,
Under his leadership.
will you, while we're at
Why
it,
have you jumped to
while we're at it, Savio, my friend,
Why have you
my dear friend Savio, my dear friend Savio, while you're at it, can I make a request to you? Can I make a request to you, Savio, my friend?
You know,
Can I make a request to you? 1 minute, 1 minute. While you talk about people who've not opened their mouth, Savio, my dear friend, will you please ask the Latvians channel, which was originally named in the TRP FIR, which is fighting a case in court after being found guilty by the rating agency, will you please also tell them, Savio Rodriguez, to open their mouth on this matter? Will you please tell them to open their mouths as well? The Latvians channel, which is trying to hide the truth. The conspirators, the people who are in a joint venture with Parambir Singh and Sachin Waze, will you tell them to open their mouths as well tonight? Savio, please tell
Why are you
them.
questioning Uddhav Thackeray and not
Of
them?
course, the India of yesterday must open its mouth.
My question is to
The
Nupur
India
now.
of yesterday
Let
must
them-
open its mouth.
I ask you.
Ask the Prime Minister as well, no? What is his stance?
Oh, no,
on the
no, no,
salt?
no.
What is his
I,
stance
they,
on
they don't,
Yediyurappa?
one second,
What
one
is his
second,
stance
one
on
second, one
farmers'
second.
protest?
No.
I have a question.
Campaigning in
Arnab,
Bengal.
allow me to come in.
Nupur is back on the debate right now.
A Prime
Nupur is on the debate right now. Nupur.
He's
No,
campaigning
it's a
in
bit
Bengal.
rich.
Yes.
He has
It's a
some
bit
responsibility
rich
towards
to
the
take the
subject.
Prime Minister and the Home Ministers.
Do you have the
It's a
guts
bit
to
rich to
answer
take the
all
Prime Minister and
questions?
Honorable
Him?
Home Minister's name in vain. The fact is, Maharashtra remains a full state, fully responsible for law, order, home police. So I think the question needs to be asked of Maharashtra government as to why their favorite Parambir Singh
the basis
was
of
hosting
allegation
a
and
press
insinuations.
conference when
On the
thousands
basis
were
of
dying of
allegation and
coronavirus.
insinuations
There
without
was no
any evidence.
investigation in
Without
Palghar.
any evidence, you will question
Even
the authority
Mansukh
of the
Hiren's
Chief
death was
Minister.
announced as suicide. Please allow me to
Where is
finish.
the
What's his
evidence?
problem?
Where
What's his
is the
problem? You think
evidence?
the Prime Minister of the country and Home Minister of the country are personally investigating a matter related to state of Maharashtra? Are you so weak in law?
The question
you don't
was,
come to
why
me
is
later on. I
Uddhav
will give
Thackeray
you a
mum
good lesson
on the
how the law
developments?
works in this
I am
country.
asking
The
why is
question
Prime
simply
Minister
this.
mum on the developments in the Dassault
Yes,
case, in the
Uddhav
Yediyurappa
Thackeray should
matter,
talk.
I must-
and on the farmers'
I
Why
must
does
protest?
the Prime
tonight-
Minister talk? Well, the Prime, why should
I
the
must
Prime
tonight,
Minister
viewers-
talk?
of the party.
It is not a
You are-
matter,
Viewers, I
it's
want
a
to-
matter
What is
of
his
I want
stance?
protest.
Why is
Are
there
you
no
so
action against
stupid?
Viewers, I have
Why
something
is
very
there
important to share.
I will take
Viewers, I have-
you
cannot-
Viewers, I have something. Viewers, I have very something.
Chief Minister, who was defending?
Viewers, I have something very important to share.
Uddhav Thackeray, he needs to answer. Why Parambir Singh was not suspended but transferred? The question simply
okay.
is this. If Parambir Singh was
Ask
so
this
wrong,
question to
why
Yediyurappa
was he
as
not
well, madam.
Right,
suspended,
viewers.
only transferred?
Right.
Here is a question needs to be asked. Why was Sanjay Pandey
Right.
superseded to make Parambir Singh the police commissioner? Please
Who
answer these
wants the
questions.
seat
There
of
were
the
people more senior to Parambir
entire
Singh.
That's
Still he was
it.
made the police
And the
commissioner
Prime
by
Minister
NDA.
and the Home
my
Minister of the
God.
country are not about law.
Here's one
So
question
when
tonight.
there are issues like Rafael,
I-
you have to answer it if the CM has to answer.
I want to.
More than it looks. Arey madam,
And if you
I have one
remember,
question.
I've been saying
44,
it
944,
right from the
944,
beginning.
944. Imagine the three musketeers. Imagine the three musketeers. I like literature. I like literature. 1 minute. I like literature, Nupur. So do you, I know. Imagine the three musketeers. Athos, Porthos, and Aramis. Now, Athos, Porthos, and Aramis go off on an adventure together. But when they are confronted with having broken the law as part of their adventure, Athos doesn't know Porthos, Porthos does not know Aramis. Athos, Porthos and Aramis all say they have no clue. How can this be possible? Think about it. Now I have one more revelation tonight. I want one more breaking news. A channel that belongs to a crumbling media organization that reminds me of the last days of the decaying Roman Empire actually broke the news on the TRP scam before Parambir even did the press conference. Did you know that, Savio? The press conference hasn't happened. They are so excited. Oh, we got Arnav. We got Republic now. Parambir is on our side. Sachin Vazay is on our side. We lost to Republic. Now we are going to come back because Parambir is holding our hand. They were so excited. They said, big revelation coming on now. They put it on Twitter. Check it, viewers. Ask their anchors questions. All the cheerleaders of Sachin.
You know, Arnab,
All
Arthos,
these
Porthos
people,
and Aramis.
Sujata, what do I tell you about these people? Yes, yes.
Choosing who would come
Absolutely.
Arnab,
Now my
Arthos,
question
Porthos
is,
and Aramis.
running a prime
Arthos, Porthos and Aramis, the main person is D'Artagnan.
Yes.
The young D'Artagnan. Why is he hiding?
The sole channel behind the TRP scam, whereas they were the ones who have 150 cases of in the TRP scam. The
My
notice
question
from
is-
Today also, Arnab, nobody is talking about what happened in Palgar lynching, what happened in Malegaon. Parambir was, by the way, also involved in Malegaon case where Pragya Thakur
I
was
think you
involved.
forget that a
Was
crime,
arrested.
crime is a crime. And crimes
No, I
need
think-
to be investigated. You don't keep jumping the gun and questioning every kind of investigation.
I'm not
There is a
jumping the
proper
gun, I'm just
investigation
questioning
happening,
the
and this
technical
investigation is being
What
done
has been
by the
taken
NIA.
out of
Are you
his
trying to say
hand?
that you
He
do
has
not
been
trust the
taken-
NIA?
he has been
Are you
taken
trying to
out.
say
All
that
right,
you do
now,
not trust
viewers,
the
I-
investigation being carried out?
People of Maharashtra, one side you have Tukaram Amle who has given his life for the
Calm
nation,
down, calm
and
down.
one side you have these
Calm down. I'm saying tonight that all of this, I do hope that there's going to be a cleanup in the Mumbai police. I hope there's going to be a cleanup in the Mumbai police and all police forces. Never what has been done here is ever repeated. My question is not that tonight. My question now is, see, Mr. Pawar, was there a larger conspiracy is what is the question on our mind. You've been in the police. You've been in the police.